Dog, I'ma shoot you. Let me see your f***ing hand. Let me see.
On the afternoon of the 8th of April 2024, in Ocala, Florida, a patrolling officer spotted a gray Nissan. The driver was not only speeding, but also not wearing a seatbelt. The officer moved in to make a routine traffic stop, but what happened next was totally unexpected. As the officer approached the vehicle, the driver suddenly floored the gas and took off.
Dad, stay in the car.
Road and Pine Run Terrace, floor 28, Romeo Charlie Mike, Kilo 78, Condone Chevy Patrol.
6680, 1031.
S10-4, eastbound Midway Road. I'm in the vehicle. Midway Drive.
The officer had no choice but to engage in a pursuit. As you can see, during the chase, the suspect recklessly drove into a densely populated neighborhood, speeding past moving vehicles and nearly hitting pedestrians. The officer, concerned that the chase might cause an accident, didn't go full speed right away. What he didn't know at that moment was, in the front passenger seat sat a woman who was 39 weeks pregnant, and in the back seat there was a child, barely 6 years old. Watching them speeding down the street like that, I couldn't help but feel a chill run down my spine. Fortunately, the officer was able to anticipate the suspect's route and attempted to intercept him at a dead end using a pit maneuver. But it didn't work. The suspect veered off and continued speeding, this time across a golf course. The officer seized another opportunity to initiate a second pit maneuver. This time, it made solid contact, sending not only the suspect's car spinning, but also launching a blue civilian vehicle off the road. Even that didn't stop the suspect. Due to the steep drop of the grassy terrain, you can hear a loud impact as the police car hit the ground, and clearly the suspect's car took a hit too. Now cornered, the suspect abandoned his pregnant girlfriend and ran. What followed was a foot chase.
Stop! Let me see your hands! Stop! Let me see your hands! Stop! Stop! Let me see your hands, dog! I'ma shoot you! Let me see your f***ing hands! Let me see your f***ing hands! You're on the ground! Turn on your Help! Shut the Get on the fucking ground, dude. Bro. Give me your hand. Bro. I'ma tease you.
Alright, you got it.
I'ma tease you, bro.
Just rest me, bro. Just rest me.
I'ma tease you. Tease you.
What's your 1020?
I'm by the golf course on Drive. Right here.
I'm not gonna run, bro. You got it.
So intense, the suspect even lost a slipper along the way. He was finally taken down, shouting "help" over and over, until one taser blast finally shut him up.
There's more people in the car.
I know you. You've got warrants. I don't give you for a hot minute, boy.
What?
You dumb as
What?
for doing this shit. You think you're hard, huh?
No, I don't. You got it.
You have anything else on you?
Nah, bro, I don't got shit.
After he was placed in the back of the police cruiser, the officers started chatting and revealed more information. The suspect's name? Anthony Michael Dotson Jr., just 20 years old, a well-known drug dealer in the area. Inside the car, his girlfriend, 9 months pregnant, and her young son. During the chase, the stress was so intense that her water broke on the spot. Thankfully, officers immediately called for an ambulance.
Hey, how far along are you?
39.
39 weeks, okay. How old is he?
3 again.
Hi, what's your name?
Here in 1250, 1014.
Rental.
Yeah, that's my boy.
Is the boy you looking for him?
Yeah.
Here in
Been my boy for a
1250,
minute. He's got.
1014.
What's your name again, ma'am? Is he the one that got arrested for?
For help?
He's got a warrant for domestic battery. Is that the one that
No,
gets
it's
you?
not for me. Where is that?
He said he ran from him too?
Leave 1022, my last.
He ran from a Shores deputy not too long ago and hit the signal 3. But he's supposedly
One car.
his car he owns. He totaled like not too far from
Unit
him.
1022.
It was a white Mercedes?
No, it was a white Nissan Maxima. But apparently he is supposedly a big time drug dealer.
He's a piece of shit.
Yeah.
I've dealt with him before.
Well, turns out this guy has quite a colorful history. Bad news. Your boyfriend has a record of domestic abuse. Good news. It was his ex-girlfriend. As the paramedics were called for the woman, officers casually chatted with Anthony, even joking about weight loss. Clearly, this wasn't his first rodeo. He looked oddly comfortable, like he's been through this before.
I was trying to think about my man. I'm sorry, man.
You're trying to think about what?
You guys.
You don't know, bro. You don't know what you're with here.
No, I understand, bro. I understand. I'm going to jail, whatever. I'm just saying, I'm sorry. I freaked out. You know,
You're gonna run further. At least you gotta be a little more fit, man.
I know. Y'all can have me.
All right, let me read your rights. You have the right to remain silent.
I'm not gonna talk about
Anything
nothing.
you can say will be used against you in
Yes,
court
sir.
of law.
I know it.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer
Yes,
and have
sir.
him present with you while you're being questioned.
Yes.
If you cannot foretell a lawyer, and one will be appointed to represent you
Yep.
for any questioning.
Yep.
If you wish, you can decide any time to execute these rights.
Yes, sir.
Not answer any questions or make any statements. You
Yes,
understand
sir.
your rights?
I understand all
All right,
those.
cool.
Can
Can
I,
you get your feet in?
Sir.
I said get your feet in.
Okay, sir.
All right, you're gonna listen to me.
I just
Get
want to
your-
have one. Bro, I'm
all
sorry
right,
I
cool.
ran. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I understand.
Okay,
You're
cool.
young and you know you have to come get me. This is your job.
I'll let you talk there. So you wanna get?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
got you.
Exactly.
I got you,
Yeah,
brother.
you know
I
who
got
I am. You pulled me over before. Remember all this?
I'll
You
get
done
your
this.
information right now. What's your driver's license?
I don't got it. I don't got none of that shit. I only
Whose car
ran.
is
I
this?
got scared. I seen you at the light. I knew you were gonna
Whose car
come
is
get
this?
me. You turned around. I was trying to get.
I know you were trying to get away from me.
No, I wasn't trying to get away. My friend lives right up the road. I was trying to go to his house.
Oh, it's your ID.
Get back inside.
Oh,
Put your
sorry.
foot
I'm not
back
gonna
inside.
run this time.
You're gonna get tased if you run.
No, I don't want to get tased. I don't want to do none of that.
Simple as
I
that.
like you, yo. I like you. I'm just saying. I just want to.
Put your feet
Why
in.
y'all being so mean, bro? I understand what the fuck you did. I understand, bro. I'm about to go to jail.
Okay, so don't raise up your voice.
I'm
And
sorry.
I said what? I said give me a
Yes,
second.
you guys just never
We'll
been to
take care of
jail, so
business.
you don't understand. Like, I'm about to be
take
gone for a little while,
I'll
so
take
I
care
have
of
to.
business, and I said I will let you
I
talk
understand.
to
I understand.
I'll
I'm
give you my
sorry.
word. So
Sorry.
relax.
I'm glad you
relax.
didn't shoot me. I
I
was
got you,
freaked out
bro.
for a second.
All right, man.
Sorry.
All right.
While he sat in the back of the police car, one officer stayed with the child. Anthony tried talking to his kid through the window, but you have to wonder, what goes through a child's mind when they see their father arrested right in front of them?
Tell her she needs
Where's my son going?
We're so working on
DCF,
figure out
okay?
how to go with this mom, okay?
You can't go
We'll figure out. Stop yelling. Stop yelling. Alright, stop yelling.
Hey, is this his kid?
Yeah, he said that's my son.
But like, blood or?
She was saying something about her mom was down the road.
Her mom?
Yeah.
Well, I think he was trying to, I was pulling him over while he was trying to let her like get out of the car. I couldn't see what she looked like.
Yeah.
And I'm like, no, stay in the car. I said, stay in the car. So when she got back in the car, he looks back at me and takes off. So I got him back in my patrol car and I chased him.
Anthony later claimed he was devastated, saying he might not be around to see his baby born. He said he regretted everything. But let's be real. If he truly cared that much, he wouldn't have chosen to flee at high speed, endangering his girlfriend, his unborn child, and the young kid. He wouldn't have led police on a chase that ended with his baby's mother in labor. According to law enforcement, Anthony is now facing 4 charges: fleeing and eluding law enforcement with danger to public safety, resisting arrest, child neglect, and a warrant for failing to appear in court for domestic battery. His bail was set at $45,000, and until that's paid, he remains in custody at Marion County Jail. If convicted, Anthony could face up to 5 years in prison. And under Florida law, he'll need to serve at least 85% of that, meaning about 4 years behind bars. By the time he gets out, he may have already missed the most precious moments of his child's early life, and who knows how that absence will impact the child's future. A routine traffic stop. How did it spiral into such a dangerous pursuit? If Anthony had known how it would all end, would he still have stepped on that gas pedal? Unfortunately, life doesn't offer rewind. We can only hope that child grows up far away from this chaos, happy, safe, and unaffected by the choices of his father. Do you think Anthony truly regrets what he did? Let me know what you think in the comments. For more real-life police stories, make sure to follow the channel. See you in the next one.